Don't miss TRC's Streetcar Armageddon race event at Bradenton Motorsports Park, April 6, 2019.
Hey guys, this is Chris from That Racing Channel here today with Mario and Leah, checking out this beautiful, unique, one-of-a-kind Dodge Demon Twin Turbo.
All right, Mario, we are waiting out the rain, right?
Absolutely.
Waiting for the track to get dry. Now, how many times will we take this car out?
Twice now.
That's right. So this is our second time with the beautiful Speed Core carbon fiber twin turbo Demon. Now, since we took it out last, what's new?
We have a custom twin turbo kit built in-house by Gearhead, attached to a pair of 76-75 Precisions. The drivetrain itself is pretty much stock except for a Pro torque converter and a DSS carbon shaft, and we also did a diff brace just so we keep the rear end from ripping out on a hard launch. We incorporated a CO2 boost controller so we can ramp into power as fast or as slow as we want. And we had to add an aftermarket two-step since we cannot use the factory one because the car only has about 200 miles on it. Then to keep us legal and the driver safe, we added a 10-point chrome moly roll cage. And of course, we can't forget the carbon fiber body by Speedcore. A set of ID 1300 injectors, and the car runs on pump E85. And a full fuel system utilizing a triple pump setup from 4 Innovations, and then we just made all the lines to fit and wire it up. The engine itself, amazingly enough, is stock all the way down to the stock head bolts. It's unopened from Dodge. Of course, we did add a proprietary intake so we can get rid of the supercharger and make it a turbo car. We're running 26 pounds of boost on it for now, and the car made 1203 at the tire and right at 1,000 foot-pounds of torque across the board. The beauty of this car is it still has full interior, air conditioning, navigation, the whole nine, everything factory from Dodge, including the passenger seat and a back seat.